Hello everyone, welcome back to Himabindu Angal Kurti's channel. For my daughter's birthday, I prepared these amazing flowers and really made a simple yet beautiful birthday decoration out of it. We have a big loft in our home and I made use of it for this birthday celebration. I really wanted to start with a clean slate, so I removed everything from the loft that I can. And this is how it looked after I cleaned up everything. For this project, I'm using heavy crepe paper, glue gun, and scissors. I wanted to start with the wild rose flower, so I used this absolutely beautiful baby pink for my petals. I wanted to make use of full length of this paper, but that would make it too long, so I just used half of the crepe paper for my petals. And I use a little bit darker paper for the middle part of my flower. I started with drawing on my paper with a pencil, and I'll show you another easy way to cut the petals in the middle of this video. Now that I finished my petal, I will start cutting it with my scissors, and I will make use of this first petal as a template for my remaining petals. The benefit of this crepe paper is that you can stretch it out so that the edges of the flowers will look very real. I will make use of my first petal to cut the remaining petals. So I started using this one as a template and started drawing on my baby pink crepe paper. Once you finish cutting this crepe paper, you will have to stretch the paper on all edges. The more you stretch, the more beautiful it looks, and you don't have to be careful as this paper is really strong. I'm using my pencil to bend the petals to give it a very natural look as they're really real. I am repeating the same process for all the petals that I will be using for this wild rose flower. To make the pistil or the center part of this flower, I'm using this yellow crepe paper. Just cut a little bit of this yellow crepe paper. For making this pistil or the center part, we need to cut the yellow paper as many times as we can and as small as we can so that it looks just like pollen. I'm now making the base for this flower where we can attach all the petals and the center part. I'm using one of my drawing books to cut the base of this flower. You can use any hard or thick paper you have. Now glue the petals to the base of this paper. Try to overlap your petals as much as you can so that they look nice and perfect. I would like to give a little bit of texture to my pistil, so I'm using some waste paper that it should give some dimension for the center part. Try to give as much smoothness as you can to the top part, and it doesn't matter how it looks at the bottom as it will be covered with glue and the petals. Now take your yellow paper that we cut before and use it as a pollen for the center part and also to cover the base. Once you're done, you can adjust the petals so that they look very close and seems just like it bloomed. I'm now adding the leftover pollen shape that we cut before. I'm using a leftover yarn to add a hanging piece for this flower so that it will be easy to hook to a push pin or whatever you need to hook it to. And here I have a beautiful wild rose flower. I will need 2 more peonies for making this simple birthday decoration, and I will show you how to make a petal in a very easy way this time. I'm using a little bit of darker color to make this flower. This is another easy way to cut the flowers. I'm using about 5 inches to cut this petal. I need 8 petals for making this flower. I'm cutting the paper to a petal shape so it doesn't have to be perfect as you will be stretching this paper a lot. I'm also giving it a little bit of a cut at the edges so that it looks very close to the natural look. I just finished cutting all the petals off the flower and I'm giving it a good stretch so that it looks very natural. Here I'm using a little bit of darker color to make the middle part. Now glue the petals to the base of the peony flower. If you want a wider flower, you can use the wide base, and if you want a smaller flower, you can use the small base. It all depends upon the base size you're using. For making the center part of this peony flower, I cut the paper by folding the paper into half, like vertically, and I made the pollen shape out of it in the middle. This flower already looks so gorgeous, and comment down below what other colors do you prefer to see this flower in. I made two coral colored beautiful peony flowers, and I also made the hanging parts to these two flowers. This is the look that I am going for, and I also made some leaves of different shapes, which I showed it to you in my previous videos, and I'll link the link down below for you in case if you missed it. I also made some flower garlands with the flowers that I have already. I did these to create like a simple backdrop. I'm prepping the leaves so that it will be easy to hang these leaves to the walls. I secured these flowers with the push pins, and I tend to go with either clear ones or with the white ones if possible. This is the simple yet beautiful look that I love for my daughter's birthday, and I do hope that you enjoyed it. And in case if you missed her 4 years journey, do take a look, and I'll link the link down below for you.